Reliance bonus issue, right? Reliance in the AGM last week, they declared that they're considering going for bonus issue, and the final decision will be taken on 5th of September. Today we are on 1st of September. So bonus issue for a company is an interesting event, okay, and it can have impact on its price in various ways. So let's have a detailed discussion on that and how we can basically go about this particular event, what trade you should take, whether you should buy more, you should sell, should you take some derivative trade. So all that we'll discuss. So what we are going to talk about is what is the impact of the Reliance bonus share on the price. What is the rationale behind it? I mean, why has it decided to go for bonus share at this point of time? And what should be your trade or investment plan for this particular event in the short term as well as in the long term? And then at the end, we can take some questions. Okay. So bonus share basics. Okay. Now, bonus share, what happens whenever a company declares a bonus share, there can be different ratios. 1:1, 1:2, 1:3. So what it means is that let's take simple example of 1:2. So if somebody is holding one share on a particular date, that date is the date which is decided for issuance of the bonus shares. So if you are holding, let's say, one share of a particular stock, and the company declares that they will give you 1:2 shares as part of the bonus issue, so you will get two shares. I mean, your shareholding will increase from 1 to 2. But one important thing that is to be noted here, your investment value is not going to double. Okay. And this is a big misconception in the market. A lot of retail investors feel that if the bonus share is coming, your investment value is going to double. So it's not the case. Bonus share is not a free share. Okay. If you have invested, let's say if you are holding one share of Reliance and today the price of Reliance share is around 3,000 rupees. तो ये 3,000 का आपका वैल्यू 3,000 ही रहेगा. Only thing is that instead of one share of 3,000, in future, after the bonus share is issued, you will have two shares of 1,500 rupees each. तो आपका वैल्यू नहीं बढ़ने वाला है, इन्वेस्टमेंट वैल्यू नहीं बढ़ने वाला है जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ द बोनस शेयर इशू. तो ये एक पॉइंट आई वांटेड टू क्लैरिफाई, बिकॉज बहुत सारे लोगों का ये मिसकंसेप्शन है कि बोनस शेयर डिक्लेयर हो गया मतलब आपको फ्री में एक शेयर मिलने वाला है. तो फ्री में तो मार्केट में कुछ मिलता नहीं है. सो somehow there is this misconception in the market. Okay, तो ये आपको एक क्लियरली समझना है कि बोनस शेयर का मतलब आपका इन्वेस्टमेंट वैल्यू डबल नहीं होने वाला है. आपका जो होल्डिंग है, आपका क्वांटिटी डबल होगा या ट्रिपल होगा, दैट डिपेंड्स ऑन व्हाट इज द bonus share ratio. So your quantity of shares will increase, but your value of your investment will remain the same. Okay. So this is a basic of the bonus share that we need to know. So benefit for shareholder is that basically your quantity is going to increase. Benefit for the company, benefit for the market. Benefit for the company is that it gives some kind of a positive sentiment for the company in the market कि ये company ने bonus share दिया है. It has tried to basically reward the investors, reward the shareholders. So that's what companies look for. A rationale for bonus share, typically bonus share क्यों issue किया जाता है? Okay. So capitalization of the reserves, if the company is having extra capital and they would like to capitalize and give some benefit to the shareholders, so that is when companies goes for bonus share. Enhancing market perception, जैसे कि मैंने पहले बोला कि जब भी कोई कंपनी बोनस शेयर अनाउंस करती है तो एक सेंटीमेंट डेवलप होता है मार्केट में कि ये कंपनी थोड़ा इन्वेस्टर्स को, शेयर होल्डर्स को बेनिफिट पास ऑन कर रही है. It basically boosts the confidence of the shareholders in a particular company. So these are the various reasons why a company goes for bonus share. अभी रिलायंस का स्पेसिफिक अगर हम लोग देखते हैं why Reliance has gone for bonus share at this point of time, तो if you are tracking Reliance from 2019, Reliance is having plans to basically go for listing of their various subsidiaries. अभी उन्होंने जियो फाइनेंस का लिस्टिंग किया, बट रिलायंस रिटेल and Jio, which is the telecom arm, रिलायंस जियो, ये रिलायंस रिटेल और रिलायंस जियो का लिस्टिंग अभी तक बाकी है। एंड दैट लिस्टिंग अनाउंसमेंट वाज एक्सपेक्टेड इन दिस पर्टिकुलर एजीएम ऑफ 2024, बट दैट अनाउंसमेंट हैज नॉट कम अप फॉर वॉट एवर रीजन, उन्होंने अनाउंसमेंट किया नहीं है। तो इट इज लिटिल डिसअपॉइंटिंग फॉर द मार्केट कि ये सब्सिडरीज का लिस्टिंग कब होगा, बिकॉज इन्वेस्टर्स को रियल बेनिफिट तब मिलेगा जब ये सब्सिडरीज का लिस्टिंग होगा, बट वो इन्होंने अभी तक अनाउंसमेंट किया नहीं है। तो मे बी जस्ट टू होल्ड द शेयर प्राइस एंड जस्ट टू बेसिकली कीप द investors, shareholders satisfied or at peace, probably Reliance has come up with this idea that okay, bonus share declare करते हैं तो थोड़ा मार्केट शांत रहेगा, people will be, investors will be little bit peaceful। तो ये एक रैशनल है, अदरवाइज वैसे कुछ लॉजिक नहीं बनता है फॉर दिस बोनस शेयर फॉर रिलायंस। एज आई सेड, इन्वेस्टर का वैल्यू इसमें डबल नहीं होने वाला है, आपको क्वांटिटी, आपका होल्डिंग डबल होने वाला है। बट ओवरऑल बेनिफिट क्या होगा, नॉर्मली जब भी कोई भी स्टॉक का बोनस शेयर इश्यू होता है, इट्स इनडायरेक्टली अ स्टॉक स्प्लिट, आपका स्टॉक का जो क्वांटिटी है वो डबल हो जाता है या ट्रिपल हो जाता है, डिपेंड्स ऑन द रेशियो अगेन। तो अगर वो रिलायंस के केस में अगर 1:1 उनका बोनस शेयर इशू है, तो एवरी वन शेयर दैट यू आर होल्डिंग यू विल गेट वन बोनस शेयर, मतलब आपका एक शेयर का क्वांटिटी दो हो जाएगा। तो जो प्राइस है स्टॉक का वो 3,000 से 1,500 रुपये आ जाएगा। सो व्हेन द प्राइस इज रिड्यूसिंग, तो मार्केट में थोड़ा लिक्विडिटी बढ़ता है, वॉल्यूम बढ़ता है। तो कोई भी स्टॉक का जब प्राइस कम होता है, हमने पास में देखा है, आईआरसीटीसी का देखा है, जिसका 10,000 रुपीज प्राइस था, तो उन्होंने उसको 1:10 स्प्लिट कर दिया, इट केम टू 1,000 रुपीज। बजाज फाइनेंस का एग्जाम्पल हम देख सकते हैं, रिसेंटली सीडीएसएल का एग्जाम्पल दे सकते हैं। द प्राइस इट वॉज स्प्लिट अराउंड 3,000 एंड देन टुडे द वैल्यू इज अराउंड 1,400। ओके, तो बोनस शेयर जब भी डिक्लेयर होता है, स्टॉक स्प्लिट जब भी, देर इज अ स्लाइट डिफरेंस बिटवीन अ स्टॉक स्प्लिट एंड बोनस शेयर। आई डोंट वांट टू गेट इनटू डिटेल्स राइट नाउ, बट मोर और लेस कंसेप्ट सिमिलर है। क्वांटिटी बढ़ता है, तो क्वांटिटी अगर बढ़ता है तो शेयर का प्राइस कम होता है, शेयर का प्राइस अगर कम होता है तो उसमें लिक्विडिटी बढ़ता है, वॉल्यूम बढ़ता है, शेयर होल्डर्स ज़्यादा उसको प्रीफर करते हैं बाय करने के लिए अगर वैल्यू कम है। अगर हम एग्जांपल देखते हैं कोई भी शेयर का, लेट्स से एग्जांपल ऑफ एमआरएफ, एमआरएफ का जो स्टॉक है इसका वैल्यूएशन इज अराउंड 1 लाख, 1 लाख रुपए का एक स्टॉक है, तो ऑब्वियसली उसमें लिक्विडिटी बहुत कम है, वॉल्यूम कम है। अगर आप दूसरा स्टॉक का एग्जांपल लेते हो आईटीसी, जिसका वैल्यू अराउंड 500 रुपीज है, या एसबीआई का अगर आप एग्जांपल लेते हो जिसका वैल्यू अराउंड 850 रुपीज है और 800 रुपीज है, तो उसमें वॉल्यूम ज्यादा होता है, रिटेल का पार्टिसिपेशन, रिटेल का इंटरेस्ट थोड़ा ज्यादा होता है, द वैल्यू ऑफ द स्टॉक इज लेस। सो दिस इज बेसिकली द rationale behind the bonus share, to basically try to reward the shareholders and keep them at peace, and basically boost the confidence of the shareholders in the company and the management. तो एज आई सेड, मार्केट रिएक्शन, स्टॉक प्राइस विल इंक्रीज जब भी बोनस शेयर डिक्लेयर होता है। तो इट इज ओवरऑल एन पॉजिटिव इम्पैक्ट, पॉजिटिव सेंटिमेंट फॉर द मार्केट, एंड स्लोली एंड ग्रेजुअली द वैल्यू ऑफ दैट स्टॉक इंक्रीजेस। ओके, तो नेट इट इज डेफिनेटली पॉजिटिव, स्टॉक का प्राइस बढ़ेगा। अगर इसका रिलायंस रिटेल या रिलायंस जियो का लिस्टिंग का अगर अनाउंसमेंट होता है, तो उससे तो बहुत फास्ट ग्रोथ होगी, बट बिकॉज ऑफ दिस bonus issue also, the value of the stock will increase gradually. It need not happen immediately, but gradually that increase is possible. अगर हम रिलायंस के बोनस का हिस्ट्री देखते हैं, तो देर इज अ हिस्ट्री अवेलेबल फॉर फ्रॉम 2009 एंड 2017। आई मीन आज तक इन्होंने 5 बार बोनस शेयर इशू डिक्लेयर किया है। 1980 में 3:5 किया था, 1983 में 6:10 किया था, 1997 में 1:1 किया था। बट जब ये डिक्लेयर हुए थे आफ्टर 1997, 2005 में जब रिलायंस का स्प्लिट हुआ था बिटवीन अनिल अंबानी एंड मुकेश अंबानी, so there was lot of adjustment in the prices, so that history is not available, but we can look at the price for 2009 and 2017। तो 2009 के अनाउंसमेंट के बाद में प्राइस 3% ड्रॉप हुआ था बाय द इशू डेट, एंड 2017 के अनाउंसमेंट के बाद में बाय द इशू डेट द प्राइस इंक्रीज बाय 7%। शायद 2009 में ओवरऑल मार्केट डाउन था बिकॉज ऑफ बिग करेक्शन इन द मार्केट, उसकी वजह से शायद ही नीचे गया होगा, बट 2017 इट वेंट 7% अप। तो देखते हैं अभी इस साल क्या, इस बार क्या पॉसिबल है, व्हाट इज द प्राइसेस रिलायंस कैन टच आफ्टर दिस पर्टिकुलर अनाउंसमेंट। तो उसके लिए हम लोग चार्ट स्टडी करेंगे। So before we move, I wanted to give you a brief idea about the offerings of RGS Consulting. As you know, RGS Consulting, we are into wealth management services, and we are having various services in investment like account handling, fund management or fixed return consulting services. So you can take a note of this and you can get in touch with me if you are interested in any one of these services. If you want to basically get good returns and safe returns from the market. So let's move on. I'll take you to the chart of Reliance. Okay. So this is the weekly chart of Reliance. And currently, if you see last week after the announcement, the reaction was like, I'll say market was confused. Initial reaction was negative and then somewhere it stabilized. So if you can see the chart, this is the 1 hour chart, and after the announcement, immediate market reaction was little confused. Market was not sure whether it is a good development or not because market, as I said earlier, is disappointed with Reliance not announcing the listing of Reliance Retail and Reliance Jio. That listing was expected in this particular AGM, but it has not come. So market is a little bit upset because of that. But this bonus share issue is going to basically lift the spirits of the investors, lift the spirit of the shareholders, if not immediately, but at least in the coming weeks. So what is possible in terms of pricing? As we saw, in 2017, after the announcement, the price increased by 7%. Okay. So let's see what is possible currently. So overall, the chart is bullish from the long-term point of view. As I said, if you can see the weekly also, on the weekly also you can see that it has painted three green candles, although the last week candle is an indecision candle. Indecision candle means market is confused. ये ऊपर जाएगा कि नीचे जाएगा, market is not sure about that. Okay. So how to trade this basically? Now what is important is that Reliance opening in green tomorrow, Monday, Tuesday, it should open in green and it needs to basically go above this level of 3035. So this 3020 is a strong resistance zone for Reliance currently. And if this 3020 or 30 level, if it takes out and if there is a close above 3030, then you can expect that it can go all the way up to 3400. Okay. So in line with the past growth, there was a 7% growth. So similar growth, if history repeats, we don't know whether history will repeat or not. We'll have to see. And that will depend upon the close on Monday or Tuesday. But if there is a good close on Monday or Tuesday, there is a quite possibility that it can go all the way up to 3400. Okay, so now we know the price levels. So what are the trades which are possible? So as an investor or as a trader, there are different things that you can do. So if it is looking bullish, you can basically buy stock in delivery format, in cash format, and just hold with the target of 3400. And you can keep a stop loss of around 2900. So 2900 का stop loss रख के आप 3400 का target रख सकते हो. One thing that is bullish here is this volume. The volume has been continuously increasing from 12th of August. The week of 12th of August, volume was decent. Week of 19th August, buying volume was good. And even for this last week of 26th of August, the buying volume is quite promising. So it indicates that overall, there is a good possibility that bullish momentum will continue. So different trades are possible. First trade, as I said, आप डिलीवरी में बाय करो, कैश में बाय करो एंड कीप अ टारगेट ऑफ अराउंड 3400. So that is one option. Second option is you can go for derivative trade and let us see what derivative trades are possible. So, so let us look at some derivative strategies which we can go for. One simple strategy is that you just buy in cash and hold. So for all the investors who want to take less risk or minimum risk, you can go for simply buying in cash and hold it with the target of 3400. Okay, that is one option. Second option is that if you are bullish about the stock, you can go for a bull spread. Now, what bull spread is possible? So let us look at the in the money price. So there are, again, in the bull spread, there are various type of spreads you can take. What I normally recommend is that we don't know how fast the price movement will happen. So if you are going for a short spread, short bull spread, that will be ideal. So you sell a put of at the money premium. So let's say you are selling 66 rupees, and as a hedge you buy around 28 rupees. So this becomes your short bull spread. You are basically selling P to get money in the market. So if you see the risk reward analysis here, you can make a maximum profit of 9,500, and there is possibility of a maximum loss of 15,500. This loss of 15,500 will come if the price goes below 3,000. Currently, the price is around 3024. Okay. So, as I said, wait for a close on Monday or Tuesday, and depending upon the close, you can get into this trade. This is a little bit higher risk, higher reward trade. Okay. So, this is one option that if you're a regular options trader, you can look at this. There is one more option that you can look at, and that is basically iron fly, which is a safer option. So, this is basically the put side position that has been taken. If you want to add a call side position, that is also possible. You just sell this at the money call, and again hedge it with buying of a call. So we are selling 66 rupees call. We are selling 66 rupees put. We are buying 28 rupees put, and we are buying 29 rupees call. Okay. So here the maximum risk is 6,000. Maximum profit is around 18,000, but the probability of profit is, as per the this particular setup, is less. So iron fly or iron condor, typically these trades, once you enter, at the time of entering the trade, the probability of profit will always be less. But then these trades require adjustments, okay? And those adjustments need to be done as per the price movement. So possibly in RGS Alpha, I will share the trade and I will give you the adjustments also. So as I said, for you, there are three options. You can buy the stock in delivery and keep a stop loss and go for a target of around 3,400, or you can go for the put spread, long put spread. That will be slightly high risk, high return. And last is this iron fly option, wherein you can go for the iron fly. The risk is less. Profit is also looking good, but the probability of profit is less. The probability of profit will increase as we make the adjustments. The premium that is required here is around 85,000. Okay. The premium that is required for a simple put spread will be less. So let us look at that. So here the premium will be required around 50,000. For a simple put spread, the premium is 50,000. For iron file, the premium is around 85,000. So three options: buy either in cash, go for a put spread, go for iron fly. These three options are there. You can choose one of these options as per your risk appetite and as per your expertise, so to say. So that's it from my side. What I wanted to cover about this whole Reliance bonus share issue. So those of you who are not aware, RJS Alpha is a free WhatsApp group that we have. You are welcome to join this, and you will get trade updates here on this group. I will be mostly sharing the Reliance Ironfly here because of this particular event. Normally we do Nifty Bank Nifty, but because of the Reliance bonus issue, we will share the trade about Reliance for this particular month, and I will also share the changes or modifications which are required in the Ironfly position as the price of the Reliance moves. So, any questions here? I can take a couple of questions or we can wrap up this discussion. So there's a question, is it good to buy RIL for a couple of years? See, it is okay to buy RIL for, basically, as I said, the RIL value unlocking will happen when they announce the listing of Reliance Jio and Reliance Retail. So at that time, there will be a significant value unlocking. So, and that is expected in a year or two. It's not that it's not going to happen. Probably a year or two, it's quite possible that it will happen. And so, to answer to your question, yes, it's a good idea to buy. Not a problem. You can buy and hold it, or you can do some swing trading also. Because I don't think till the time the listing of retail and Jio happens, it will cross 3,300, 3,400. 3,400 will act as a resistance area. So from 2,700 to 3,300, 3,400 in this range, swing trading can also be taken in Reliance. Any other question? So there is a question on whether to go for the cash segment or whether to go for one of the option trades that you suggested. See, it depends on your risk appetite. The option trades, you will have to do a lot of changes and you'll have to basically monitor your trade properly. So if you are a regular options trader, you can look at that. अगर आपको risky लगता है तो you just go for the simple cash buy करो, hold करो and just wait for the price to come to your target of around 3,400. Your view on Nifty, we will discuss about Nifty separately, but overall Nifty is also bullish. If Reliance goes higher, obviously Nifty will also go higher. But let us discuss Nifty separately. I want to keep this discussion specific for Reliance. Okay. Any more question on this, on the trade, on the strategy? So those who want to take the option trade, just follow my trade on the RSS Alpha group. I will be sharing the Reliance Ironfly trade and I will give the updates also there. So just uh, monitor the details on the RCS Alpha. I'm quite sure that we'll be able to make 5 to 10,000 rupees profit in the Reliance Ironfly trade for one lot. So let's stop it here. So these are my coordinates. You can follow me on YouTube, on Twitter, and share this video with your friends.